What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'm glad to have you here. Guys, $4,027 on the day, literally just sitting in my long-term plays, my long-term investments. And I wanted to take today's stream to talk to you about the importance of the daily chart and some of the tools that I use for long-term plays and swing trades. First, a lot of you, some of you are not able to day trade at all. So this is probably a useful video for you and just basic strategies to use. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. All right. Hit me with a 4 if you can hear me loud and clear. And what we're going to do here is we're going to talk about the 50% Fibonacci. All right. So first thing here, guys, is I'm going to go to the Twitter and I'm going to talk about this post that I did on the weekend, August 19th here. So this was the S&P 500 chart back before we came into the week. And you could see that we had tagged that 50% retracement on the higher time frame on the daily chart. So let's go ahead here and let's start off with that. Let me just remove these drawings and let me redraw this for you. Okay. So the first question that I get a lot is, Rich, why did you use this anchor point right here? Okay, so let me go ahead and double click and let's just focus on the 50 right now. And I'll talk to you a little bit about the 50% retracement. So the 50% retracement, guys, is a retracement that is used a lot by institutions in my from my trading, and it's mainly for the bigger picture plays, because the institutions, a 50% correction in market price action is a huge discount for them. All right. When you're day trading on the 5-minute chart, you can get deep pullbacks, the 618, the 786. But a lot of times on these bigger time frames, a 50% retracement is such a good deal for companies with billions and billions of dollars of capital that they need to deploy. Because remember, every single year people are contributing to their pensions and their investments, etc., and all these funds. They need to deploy capital. Hit me with the 20 if that makes sense. So one of the things, guys, very simple, is that you got a 50% correction and a pullback. That's a 50% deal. All right. So let's go ahead here. So I use this anchor in my post because of the fact that if you look to the left, there was a strong base that was built up here in May. So that's why I decided to use this as my anchor. And if I go right here to the low of this candle, was 409.88. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in right here. And the high, just so we have the exact numbers, is 45944. Okay, so double click that, 45944. So as you guys saw, $4,000 in profit. So you might be saying, so Rich, what do I do? Right? So how many of you guys are investors? Hit me with a 1, or long-term swing traders. So what I do is, when the market is on this 50% level, I look for my number one stocks that I want to hold. And you guys know my number one stock is Microsoft, right? That's my favorite stock. I've been holding it. I've called the bottom of Microsoft this year. Right here at the beginning of January, this is where I loaded up around $240 in Microsoft. And I made a lot of money on Microsoft. And essentially what I did is I reloaded on the daily chart. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I did that. And just to show you guys, if we go into the swing trade channel, search Microsoft, see if I can find it. Okay, so just want to find the initial post. It was a long time ago, my friends. See if I can find it in here. But whenever I see really, really good long-term plays, I always put it in the Discord. You don't see the, so right here, guys. So for anyone interested in Microsoft, 240 or lower is going to starting point for long. If it dips lower, we can add more. I'll be using shares. So this was back a while ago, guys. So just wanted to basically tell you the strategy. So what I do is this: as we're coming into the significant level on the index, I'm adding on the stocks that I want to hold long term. And anytime there is a red day, I buy shares. Okay. So the strategy, this is a dollar cost averaging strategy, and you can't blow your load. Okay. So you can't just put all your money at once. You have to go little by little. So anytime there's a red day, I buy, all the way down. As we start to come into the major levels on the index, I buy more. Okay, so if we're near the all-time highs, I'm going light. As we come deeper, I'm going heavier. And you do this, you need to have like a recurring stream of income in order to dollar cost average appropriately. So that's what I do. You guys know I'm a CPA, so whatever, extra I have every month I set aside and I dollar cost average on these names like Amazon and Microsoft and the ones that I want to hold long term. Okay, hit me with the 4 if that makes sense. And from there, we can also use this information and exploit this from a swing trading with futures. So now this is going to be taking it to the next level. All right. So let me just go ahead and get rid of this and get rid of this. Okay. So this is coming into this week right here, guys. So let's go ahead here again, put on the basic. Okay. So this is coming into this week right here, my friends. So right here, this is Friday's low. And then you could see we rallied on Monday right here. And then we pulled back one time. Okay. On Monday, we tagged the 618 and then we ripped. So this is knowing that the higher time frame is bullish. And from that higher time frame, guys, it's gone. Okay. And you could see this came in around 11 o'clock on Monday. And now if I take a Fibonacci from low to high right here, it's another 618 right there. And this one 2 tapped, 1, 2, gone. So this is building a story. This is called a higher time frame analysis. I also have another dip buy that I want to get in if it comes down lower here, but I have that on hold. But this is knowing that the daily chart is in a position for bullish. So what we're watching to see are these 618 pullbacks or the 50% pullbacks on the hourly chart. Hit me with the 25 if that makes sense. So that is how you use the information on the bigger time frames to invest as well as to swing on futures. And then when you're doing options, what I like to do is conditional orders. I just put the conditional order. As soon as it touches the 50%, I'm going to buy the calls 2-3 weeks out. Okay, as soon as it touches, I'm not going to wait for anything because I know that at the 50%, I'm expecting to have a good reaction. So as soon as it touches the level, I'm getting lotto calls. All right, hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. All right, so let's just go back now. Get back my P&L. All right, okay. So right now where we stand in the market, the bulls are definitely in control. There's been some good earnings, and that's going to help to drive. We go back to the daily chart here. The next thing we need to watch here is the next bear leg. If I take it from Fibonacci from low to high. So I did cover my short today for about $1,000 profit. And so I basically, that small account, I doubled. It was at triple, but I gave back some of the gains. So I just took it at double and that's it. But what we got to watch for going forward here is let me go ahead and put the golden zone on for you guys. This is going to be an excellent area to short for a nice lotto. I do expect there to be some kind of reaction here. I don't think it's just going to be, really that easy for the bulls because remember a few weeks ago, the bears were in full control. So don't let the current situation fool you. There's always good opportunities. So this is where we'll be looking for the next short. And you can see that we're not there yet, but we'll probably get there by the end of the week. So I'll be watching that and I'll post that on the Twitter, in the Discord, on the YouTube. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. All right. So, I've been really blessed and I've been able to catch the top and the bottom of the index this year. So you guys know I shorted over here. I bought Microsoft down here. I added again over here. So I've been on a really, really strong winning streak and I'm just really grateful and I'm thankful for everybody that's following me along the journey. My goal is for everybody to make money. That's all I do this to make money and I'm not going to bullshit with you guys. I do this because I come from, an immigrant family and I was told that the stock market is gambling, this and that and that. And I want to prove people wrong. I really believe that this can enrich your lives. Gambling is when you walk up into the casino and press a slot machine. And I don't feel like this is it. Hit me with the 7 if that makes sense. So this is my journey. This is my life, guys. And I'm not going to stop. I'm going to go until I can get to that epic level. I just want to get to that epic level, guys. So let's do it together. All right. That's my goal. All right, guys. One more thing that I want to say, the Trading War seminar. So the last seminar we did was a huge success. The next one is going to be at September 3rd at 3 p.m. Eastern. Anybody that has a green in their name in the YouTube chat right now will automatically get in for free. All you need to do is fill out the form. I already posted it under the members tab on YouTube. It's $4.99 to join, guys. I mean, if you want to come and get the seminar, it's a really good deal. And I think you would really love it. I'm going to go and show a lot of things that I can't show on the YouTube. I'm going to go on the broker, walk you through futures, walk you through all the results. So check me out. Consider joining the army. I think I'm going to do a live stream this Friday. The last few ones I've done have been success, but I don't want to be unfair to the people in the Discord where I don't, like I don't want to be just going live on Fridays and making them feel like they're missing out, so I just want to be fair to everybody. But check it out, guys. Tradingwars.com. You can sign up for the Discord, come trade live with us every single day, or you can grab a copy of the book right here. I'm going to be doing a big Labor Day sale for the week. So if you want to hold off until then for the books, I'm going to be doing a nice sale as well as the bundle. Yeah, one more thing that I want to show you guys is for my extremely busy traders, I want to show you the trigger method here. So I'm going to go into the trigger trades. I already posted the ones for tomorrow, but you can see our trigger level long was 44082 today. And these levels have been working really well. So 44082 is right there. So you can see we broke through this level, consolidated a bit, and then we pushed higher. So if you're looking for one simple trade, I would check out those triggers. You can also use them on futures. They're very powerful. And that way you could still get some of these bigger moves. But from a day trading Fibonacci perspective, if I'm not getting deep pullbacks, I'm not taking those dips, I'm not going to buy at the top. I'm not going to do that because it's going to set me up. Because if it does go the other way, you could blow up your account. So you always want to put yourself in a good position. All right, guys, that's it, my friends. Thank you so much for your time. And let's continue the positive winning streak and let's just keep going. All right. So tomorrow, Thursdays and Fridays, you guys know, are usually the most profitable days in the Discord where things just go crazy. So I'm expecting it to be a big Thursday and Friday again. So come check us out if you want to trade live with us every single day. I'm going to be doing a little bit of voice here and there and just trying that out with you guys as well. Thank you so much for your time. Please comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Giveaways this Sunday. Appreciate you coming out and have a great day. Hope that lesson was helpful. Let me know in the comments below. Take care.